Let me tell you a little story about how I tried to impress my friend Dave with my outdoorsy spirit and ended up crying inside a nylon tent while a squirrel chewed through my trail mix. But everything changed the moment I stepped into The Wave by Bowlus Road Chief. I swear, that trailer made my apartment look like a broom closet with plumbing issues. Now, before we dive deep into the land of luxury camping, yes, that's a thing, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Because while I bring the jokes, I also bring the specs. And trust me, this one's a doozy. The Bowlus Road Chief Wave Bespoke Edition is what happens when an aluminum spaceship and a luxury yacht fall in love and decide to raise a family. At 26 feet long, 7.9 meters, this trailer is not just a camper. It's a designer suit on wheels. With an exterior made of aircraft-grade aluminum that's hand-polished to a mirror shine, it's basically the trailer version of your buddy who shows up at a barbecue in a tux just because. What I liked the most? The interior. Warm walnut and blonde birch accents, blue and white linens, and suede-like vegan fabric that's so soft it made me question my couch at home. Let's talk about comfort. Twin beds that morph into a king, or two diplomatic sleeping zones when camping with Dave again. A pop-up ensuite bathroom with his and hers closets, and yes, heated floors. I believe it's the only time I've stood barefoot in a trailer and whispered, "Is this love?" Now on to the juicy tech. 4 kilowatt-hour lithium-iron-phosphate batteries, 2,000 watts inverter, 1 week off-grid power, extendable with solar panels, Bluetooth app to track energy usage, Wi-Fi network, cell booster, and a smart router. That's right, you can stream your favorite survival show while surviving absolutely nothing. I mean, the thing has constant hot water and AC. You could host brunch inside. The price starts at $225,000 USD, around 210,000 euros. And yes, it's limited edition. So if you've got cash burning a hole in your account and a taste for minimalist elegance, the Wave is calling.